Today I'm at Colchester Machine Tool Solutions in Elland. I'm with Keith Clowe. Keith, we're going to be talking about this Colchester machine that we have here behind us, this Typhoon. I grew up with Colchester, probably like you did, using it in my apprenticeship. Why? Well, this is sort of the next step on, isn't it, for Colchester, from their manual and their flatbed lathes?
Yes, this is a slant bed machine. We've been known for those in the past. We've now reintroduced the machine as a Typhoon. This particular machine is a linear rail machine. It's an L series. Starts at 52mm, 65 and then 75mm bar capacities. This one's it's just a simple 2-axis machine with a tailstock.
How important is it, do you think, to have that Colchester name behind you when you're out in the field promoting these products? It must work well for you.
Oh, it's imperative. People know Colchester. The names are, famous all around the world. So I tend not to have a problem getting into somewhere. People know us.
And as the machines have evolved, been no compromise in the quality? Because again, I go back to my days, Colchester machines, they seem to last forever.
That's one important thing we couldn't do. It couldn't be a compromise. You've got to maintain the brand. You've got to maintain the strength of it, and it's synonymous with the quality and accuracy.
You must find this is a very competitive area, like the machine we were talking about earlier. How do you compete? Do you go by the name, or is there technically advantages to this product compared to some other machines?
Yeah, although we've got the name, you can't live on that alone. You've got to rely on our backup service, spare support, the technology that we've got, the applications engineers, programming.
And this Typhoon range then, so this is the L65.
Yes.
They come with mill drill and they come as a smaller version too, is that correct?
That's absolutely correct, yeah.
What would come with the machines, Keith, finally? Would they come with the equipment you would expect, like swarf conveyors?
Pretty much what you see here now. It always comes with a chip conveyor, bar feed interface, a tool in pack as well, so we make sure there's a tool in every station it's a block tool in turret. So yeah, pretty much ready to go.
So if you've used Colchester machines in the past, you'll know the quality of them. They are now in this arena. They've reintroduced the turning centre and they're available here from stock. That'd be right in saying that as well, wouldn't it?
Absolutely. Again, yeah, we have to maintain that stock to be competitive. Yeah.
Very competitively priced too, I hear. So contact Colchester Machine Tool Solutions via their website.